review on Grasscity. I just ordered a pre-cooler and black leaf downstem. And by the way, it doesn't say anything on here about being tobacco pipes or anything. Looks like it's on that. Oh, what do you know? Screens, don't even need them. I didn't even order that. Man, they don't want you to open this shit. You can tell Customs didn't open it. Shit. She's a beauty.
So cool.
Did not know it'd be this big. Phew! She's huge. Oh, doesn't bother me, but as you see, just like that guy said in the other comments, it is a straight tube, not bent, which is actually better.
Whoa.
Well, thank you for that, and I'll be putting a video on YouTube here to smoke it in a little bit.